centimeter square. As we know, the formula of volume of cube is A cube. So A cube is equals to 4 cube. The edge of the cube is 4 centimeter. This means this edge is 4, this edge is 4. When we join these two cubes end to end, this means join these two cubes. So the cuboid, the length of cuboid is, length is, this is 4, this is 4, this means 8, and its breadth is same 4, its height is same 4. So its surface area of cuboid is twice of length breadth height plus height l. This means 2 length into breadth 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 4. This means this is 32 plus 16 plus 16. So 2, this is 64. So 128 centimeter square. There is one mistake. There is h is 8. So this is 32. 32, 64. This is 80. So 160 centimeter square is the surface area of resulting cuboid. In the second question, the statement is, a vessel is in the shape of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The figure is, there is a hollow cylinder. This is the hollow cylinder mounted by, this is hollow cylinder, and this is the hemisphere. This is the hemisphere. So in this question we are given, by hollow cylinder the diameter of hemisphere is 14. So its radius is 7. This means this is 7 radius, this is 7, this is 7, and the total height of the vessel is, 13. We are required to find the surface area. First we find the height of cylindrical part. Height of cylinder is total height minus radius of hemisphere, which is 6 centimeter. So the total surface area of vessel is, one thing is important, when we find the total surface area, this surface area is added only once. So total surface area is CSA, curved surface area of cylinder, plus curved surface area of hemisphere. As we know, this is H dash and this is R. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi. We write it H, 2 pi r H, plus hemisphere is 2 pi r square. When we take 2 pi r common, this is H plus R. Value of pi is 22/7, radius is 7. So H is 7, radius is 6. This cancel out. So this is 44 into 13. So 13/4 is 52. This is 52. 572 centimeter square is the area of this vessel. In question number 3, the statement is, a toy in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 mounted on a hemisphere. This is the toy shaped like a cone, and in this there is a hemisphere. This is hemisphere. This is the height of the toy. This is the slant height. So the radius of hemisphere is 3.5. This is 3.5. This is 3.5. The total height of the toy is 15.5. This is 15.5. This is the radius. Again 3.5. We are required to find the total surface area of this toy. First of all, we find the height of conical portion. Height of cone, which is total height, means this radius 3.5. So its height is 12. This means this is 12 centimeter. As we know, for total surface area, we do not include this. For this, the total surface area of toy is CSA, curved surface area of cone, plus curved surface area of hemisphere. As we know, the curved surface area of cone is pi r l and hemisphere is 2 pi r square. When we take pi r common, this is L plus 2r. So first we find this slant height. For this is OAB. So in triangle OAB, L square is equals to 3.5 whole square plus 12 whole square. Its square is 12.25 and this is 144. So 156.25. When we take its square root, this is 12.5 centimeter. This is the square root of 156.25. So when we put the value in this, the value of total surface area of toy is pi is 22 by 7, r is 3.5, l is 12.5 plus 2, r is 3.5. So this is 22 by 7, this is 35 by 10, this is 12.5 plus this is 7. So 7, 5, 35, 2, this is 11. So 11, this is 19.5. 19.5. So when we multiply, this is 55, 5, 99, this is 104, 214. So 214.5 centimeter square is the area of this toy. Repeat this question. There is toy which is mounted on a hemisphere shaped like a cone. This means in the bottom of the toy there is a hemisphere and above it there is a cone. So we have given the radius of this hemisphere, means this is cone. So radius of cone and hemisphere are same. This is 3.5. This is again 3.5. The total height of the toy is 15.5. First of all, we find the height of the conical portion. For this is the total height 15.5. Subtract 3.5. So we get 12. This is 12. This is 3.5. So when we find the total surface area, this area should not be added. This means this is a toy is like shape this. This dotted lines area is not added. So total surface area is CSA, curved surface area of cone, plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of cone is pi r l plus 2 pi r square. When we take pi r common, this is l plus 2r. First we find l by using a Pythagoras theorem. So l is 12.5 and put the value here, we get the total surface area of this toy. These sums are very important. Solve these sums on your notebook, and if any problem then tell me. Thank you.